Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use S Pen on Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply enable the Bluetooth mode on your tablet, and then you just have to simply press and hold the pairing button, which is the Bluetooth one, on your pen, and then they will automatically connect. After that, you're going to be able to use all these features here. So as you can see, you have the text feature. So basically you can use it to text. You just have to simply use it like a normal pen, like handwriting. You can use the air command menu and much more, but all you have to do is simply connect it using Bluetooth, and that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.